Hi everyone, and welcome back to my virtual classroom. For our Music Vibes episode for today, we will be doing a keyboard tutorial for the song Build My Life by Housefires on a key of A. So let's get started. For this song, for the intro part, we will only be playing A and D. So A and D. Now we'll try to, if you have listened to the music video of this, it has a guitar intro part. So we'll try to play the guitar intro part. So it's an A and then D. So it will be like this. An A, until you start singing the first verse. And so you play this exactly the same until you sing the first verse. So it will be like this. Worthy of every song we could ever sing, worthy of all the praise we could ever bring. A, worthy of every breath we could ever breathe. We live for you. And then this part, you play C sharp on your left hand and then stay on A on your right. We live for you. Oh, we live for you. D. All right. So the same thing. And then you sing the second verse. Now for the verse 2, the end part where you would have the "we live for you" in terms of chords, it will be on F sharp. We live for you, oh we live for you. Then you go back to D. So it will be like this. Jesus, the name above every other name. Right? A, Jesus, or you can also play it together like this. Since you have the whole band playing with you, you can play it like this. Breathe, we live for you. Oh, we live for you. All right? And then you go to the chorus part. For the chorus part, it will be the same thing. For your left hand, you will have your D. You can play it like this, and then B, A, F sharp. All right, so D, B, A, F sharp. Oh, this one. All right, so that will be for your left hand. Now for your right hand, it will be on D. Holy, there is no one like you. B minor, there is none beside you. A, open up your F sharp minor in one, and then it repeats again. All right, so it will be played like this. Holy, there is no one like you. There is none beside you. Open up my eyes in wonder, and D, who you are, and B minor, A, in your love to F sharp minor, round you, and then you can go back to the verse. All right, so you can do the intro part and then you sing the verse part. Okay, now from the chorus to the bridge, you will be playing an instrumental part before you sing the bridge part. So the left hand will be playing D, E, F sharp minor, and then C sharp. So you can play it D, E, F sharp, and then C sharp. Now our right hand will be playing just the A. Since this is on the key of A, so our left hand will be playing the A. again. So it's exactly the same. All right, before you sing the bridge part. So it will be played like this. E, F sharp, C sharp, all right, D, E, F sharp, C sharp, and then you start singing. I will build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. Okay? It's exactly the same. So if the whole band will be singing, you can go back to pressing the whole chords. My life upon, or you can just play exactly the same thing again and again until you go back to the chorus part. So that is the whole song for today, Build My Life. I hope that you liked that keyboard tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for your attendance today. And as always, as Teacher Maria would say, please do live your life to the fullest, learn something new every day, and love one another as how our God loves us. See you next episode for our Music Vibes series. Bye!